Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. And this is another unboxing and this is a pair of shoes for fall and let's open it together. I removed it already from the box and I haven't seen what's inside yet. So let's try to open it up. And inside the box, I have this receipt. And let's open the box together. This did not came with a ribbon or a card. So this has this drawer like box and inside has a 2 dust bag. And this is actually oh, why is the ribbon? Okay, so actually it has a ribbon but it's inside. They didn't put it outside. And it also has a card. That's so odd. So anyways, let's close it. It looks like they open it before they put it inside the box and forgot to put the ribbon back. So this is it, guys. And the dust bag is really big. And inside is this shoes. And it's a pair of loafer. Oh my god, guys, this is so pretty. The smell is really brand new and I love this LV hardware at the back. I tried this on last year and I'll insert a picture and I really love this back then, but for some reason I end up buying a pair of sneakers and now it went back into my mind. I bought it this time and this is now in the craze that it's very hard to get for my size. So well made and it is so beautiful. And let's get the other pair. I'm hesitant to get another monogram as I already have the Wonderland monogram boots and I also have a front row sneakers in monogram. And in my thoughts, it's like, do I need another monogram shoes? But monogram shoes really goes well with our monogram bags, as you can see. And I've noticed that this is more like a dark monogram. So if you will compare this with my Nano Speedy, this is darker. And let's see if I'll compare this with my bum bag. Oh, I'm so excited to pair this together, guys, as this will look good together. So maybe it will look best if we are in our plain color shirts and pants, as this will clash with the printed outfits. So I guess this will look best if we'll wear a neutrals, brown or black, as this will be the focal point of our outfit. This shoes is really good. It has this heel height and I don't know what's the heel height, so let's find out together. So it's 2.5 heel height and here it's like 1 inch. So 2.5 here and 1 inch. And I love this chunky sole that they put, and this is like a rubbery sole that has attraction when you walk. It has an LV logo and it has made in Italy. And I also love this chunky foam material that they put in here, and this one is in leather. And is this a serial number? Looks like it has a serial number here, guys. Can you see it? I don't know what this reads, if it is a serial number, guys. I'm gonna insert the closer picture in this screen and let me know what you think of this. If you own this pair of shoes, please let me know if your pair of shoes also has this number, because this looks like are just hearts with 3 numbers like 1, 9 or something. But I look at here and it has a different serial number here, and this one looks like a few hearts. on each sides, and I'll insert the picture and let me know again, guys, what you think of it. I ordered this directly from LV website, and I was helped actually by a customer service associate. This was shipped overnight, complimentary. I was trying to order this for the past 3 days, and I think my card has a problem with verification, because LV website is asking to verify the credit card. I also called my credit card, and they said that it was the merchant who was asking to verify. So I called a certain number in Louis Vuitton website, and this problem has been fixed, and I was able to purchase this. So this is the first time that I've encountered a heart-like pattern on an item, and I don't know what is this or what does it mean. I really love the workmanship on this guy. It is well padded, and it seems like it hugs your foot, and it looks good with skirts and shorts and formal pants, or even jeans. So it is nice that this is so chunky, and yet it is versatile, and it just elevates your outfit. It will also look good with dresses. This is just a timeless piece, and I really love this look, and I'm so glad that I went back this year and bought this, as I let this go last year when I tried it on at the store, and it hasn't left my mind. Like it comes and goes in my mind until finally I gave in and get it this year. So as you can see with my pochette métis on the background, it also looks good with the pochette métis. I don't think it will look good with my azure. What do you think, guys? But with any monogram pieces, this will look good. Even with our Chanel purses, this will also look good. Like I have this Chanel blue, and if you're gonna wear this together, it will be nice that it has a pop of color on this brown and black pair of shoes. It depends if you are comfortable wearing it, but if you are a true Louis Vuitton lover and has a lot of monogram purses, this will look best with your monogram purses, and even Louis Vuitton leather purse. As you can see the LV and LV here, and it's just look nice together. So I'm so excited, guys, to add this to my collection. I'm so happy that I was able to get this, even though I don't understand what this serial number means or what this pattern in here means, and it's just odd to see this in a pair of shoes, and it doesn't look like numbers, but it has hearts in there. And again, this is the serial number here, which doesn't looks like the ones in here. But this is very small, and I don't mind having this. Anyway, the rest of the shoes is really in perfect condition. I really love this Louis Vuitton hardware at the back, and I also love the height and the chunky look of these shoes. Well, let me know what you think of this Louis Vuitton Beaubourg platform shoes. I don't know, it's just hard for me to say the name of these shoes, but I'll just put it down there so you'll be able to see what this item is called. Let me know if you like loafers as well, as this is my second loafer like shoes. I have a Gucci loafer, the slip-on ones, and now I have this to add in my loafer collection. Let us take a moment to get a closer look on these beautiful shoes. And this one has a shiny monogram canvas, and I love this white stitching all around it, and this substantial LV logo hardware at the back, and it also has traction on the rubber sole. And as you can see, guys, I also love this 2 holes on each side so that we can adjust the shoes for a tighter fit. And it also has a leather contrast on each side of the shoe, and one side has these patterns that I was telling you about, and just let me know if you know what this is. And in front it looks like this. The design of the shoe is really pretty, and this one has a thicker shoelaces than the sneakers. I'm gonna make another video on this as soon as I will start wearing this, and I will be able to let you know, guys, how it feels, and if I see any cons on this shoe or pros, we will discuss it on my next video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so we can talk more about handbags and shoes. And thank you again, guys, for staying with me. If you are already subscribed, I'll see you all again next time. And stay safe, everyone. Bye.